Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Varsha. So the festive season has just begun and it's all about dressing up, going out for events, parties, for Navratri, Dussehra and Diwali. So today's video is about to get ready with me for the Navratri party. And those of you who are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. I make videos on lifestyle and fashion. So let's get into the video. Of a person who really don't want to spend much on heavy dresses or suits because it becomes very difficult to reuse them, and I think many of you can relate it to me. So try to spend your money onto something which you can reuse. So for the outfit I have taken a black kurta which I can use on a daily basis. I'll show you that, and it looks like this. So this I can wear like with jeans or with leggings on a daily basis. So for the makeup, I have done my base. I really don't know much about the makeup, so I've just applied CC cream and my liner. Lip color I'll apply in the last. For the hair, I'm going to straighten my hair because it suits me best. And for the lip color, I'm applying Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Crimson Silk. So this is the final look. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.